So this is a random video that I decided to do. What I did was I picked up a real cheap 48-inch piece of steel from, it's actually a, oh god, it's for a door, I can't remember, for the side of carpet, to put carpet in. It's real thin steel, and I wanted a lip on here so this doesn't start flaking away, you know, if I catch the edge with my foot or my boot or my shoe or whatever like that. I just screwed it in with some really small bolts, and it looks like it's pretty good. I'm going to add this piece on the back side because it was just left over. So I had to bend it a little bit, but it looks pretty good. So yeah, I've been pounding it, kind of shaping it and stuff with my hammer here, so it seems to be working out pretty good. Because this is going to be my main entrance and exit point to the vehicle. So there's going to be a lot of foot traffic through here, and what you don't want to do is start scuffing your feet or picking up slivers or something like that on the side of the whatchamacallit there, the plywood. So yeah, I'm going to form it a little bit more and do the back side there because I'll be going in and out of that side a little bit, but this side over here, nope, don't have to worry about that. So alright, thanks for watching.